Hey, how's it going, my friends? Welcome back to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and what I have on the table today is a giant roll of Rainbird XFD drip tubing. This particular model is the 0.6 by 18 inch spacing, and I kind of want to just show you the scale of this roll. This, this is a 500 foot roll. Yeah, this is a 500 foot roll, and a couple things to point out on it. I'm just gonna point this up, get this label in front of you. This square piece right here that says XFD 0618500, you can actually remove this sticker. This is kind of awkward. This is very awkward. You can actually remove this this sticker here, and let me show it to you again. And you can put it, either on your valve box or on your plan. Man, I'm sorry guys, this is so difficult. This is a giant roll of drip tubing. Here, maybe I should do it this way. I don't know, whatever. It's a big roll. This one is the 0.6 emitter, and then every 18 inch spacing. And then one thing I'll point out too, if you're not sure what kind of drip tubing you have, most manufacturers, including Rainbird, they etch it onto the tubing. So if you look closely, you can see the etching on the tubing. That'll tell you your flow rate and your spacing that you have installed. This is a, they also give you the maximum lateral lines, because you want to be careful with drip tubing not to run too far or you'll run out of pressure. So Rainbird's put a helpful guide on here. If you have 6 PSI, you can run 596 feet. But if you only have 15 PSI, then you can only run 314 feet. And that would be the longest length of tubing that you can run. So some helpful tips that Rainbird puts on there. Otherwise, yeah, it's just a giant roll of drip tubing. So anyway, this video might be pretty crappy, and I'm not going to apologize because this is all we have here. But anyway, if there's we do have this for sale on our website. There it is. So if there's any questions that you have about the Rainbird tubing, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact us by phone, chat, email, and you can even text our corporate number now. We'd be happy to help you out. So until the next product overview, happy sprinkling, my friends. We'll talk to you then.